What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Hey, just want to do a quick hit here and show you this retractable pen holder because I thought it was pretty nifty and I wanted to try it out myself here. So what you get here is this little retractable pen clip. You can see it has a little metal clip so it can go on your belt, but we also have this little dual-ended carabiner so you can clip it onto things, a loop on your backpack, your belt loop, those types of things too. And then you have kind of the standard retractable piece here, so you can extend it out. Man, holy smokes, that's actually kind of long. It's probably about 3 feet long, and it will stay extended until you pull it back like a seatbelt and retract it back in. But probably what makes this most interesting is that the loop to hold the pen here, it's probably designed more for a standard size pen. You can see the smaller hole on this side, larger hole on this side, but it's a rubber or a silicone, so you can slide a decent sized pen in here. I have a Sharpie, and I'm just going to see if I can get this bad boy in here. And again, it's a smaller hole, so you gotta kind of muscle it in there, but looks like I can get it. And if I wanted to kind of push this down on the table, I could probably slide it down a little easier. Look at that. Real time, baby. So I can get that on there. So if you have a pen, and I tell you what, that's not going to fall out. I don't care how much you beat that sucker around. That is not coming out until you actually force that sucker out. But you can carry your pen very easily with you on this little retractable clip and have it accessible whenever you need it for really cheap. So if you want to pick this up, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.